Welcome to the unboxing and field test of the NightCrystal M6 night vision scope with Picatinny rail mount. Inside the box, you'll find a soft silicone eye protector, a USB-C charging cable, a hex screwdriver, a screw-on eyepiece, and the main night vision unit. Everything you need for setup and operation. To begin, screw the eyepiece onto the main body. It attaches securely, providing a snug fit for a comfortable and stable viewing experience. Before powering on the unit, open the battery compartment and remove the insulation film placed between the battery and the cap. On the control panel, there are the key buttons: Power, IR, Photo, and Video. To start the device, simply press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The NightCrystal M6 comes with an integrated Picatinny rail mount, allowing easy and secure attachment to compatible rifles and accessories. Use the provided hex screwdriver to loosen the mounting screws, position the scope on your rail, and tighten the screws to lock it in place. Now take a closer look at the device itself. The left side houses a built-in infrared flashlight, ideal for nighttime visibility. On the right side, you'll find a micro SD card slot and a USB-C charging port, as well as an extra Picatinny rail for adding gear like a rangefinder or tactical flashlight. From the top, you can clearly see the control panel layout and the precision of the optical components. The durable build and intuitive design make field operation easy and efficient. At the eyepiece, the soft silicone eye protector ensures comfortable use over extended periods. The bottom of the unit features a rugged mount compatible with standard Picatinny rails, offering excellent stability and alignment for precise targeting. With the eyepiece detached, you get a clear view of the NightCrystal M6's circular AMOLED display, delivering bright, high-resolution imagery even in total darkness. To focus, begin by adjusting the diopter lens until the on-screen interface appears sharp. Then use the objective lens focusing wheel to bring distant objects into crisp, detailed view. Let's take a quick look at the menu settings on the NightCrystal M6. First, you can adjust contrast with 4 levels. Lower levels brighten up the image at night for better visibility. Language lets you choose from 11 different options, including English, Espanol, Rusky, and more. You can turn crosshairs on or off, and even adjust their position so they line up perfectly with your target. There's also loop recording, which keeps capturing video continuously, and a mic on-off switch if you want to record sound or keep things silent. You can also show or hide the date, set the time, and adjust screen brightness from level 1, brightest, to level 6, darkest. Lastly, there's auto power off to save battery, an option to format your micro SD card, and a factory reset if you need to start fresh. That's it. Simple, practical, and easy to use. Before we dive into low-light testing, here's a quick look at the daytime performance. As you can see, the NightCrystal M6 delivers crisp, full-color images in daylight, perfect for scouting during the day. Now let's see the NightCrystal M6 in action in a low-light environment. With a long press of the IR button for 3 seconds, the infrared flashlight turns on and activates night vision mode. You'll notice that what was once completely dark now becomes visible, and here we can even spot a coyote in motion. On screen, you'll see a few icons. 1080p shows it's in 1080p full HD if record video. The micro SD icon means a card is inserted for storing recording video and photo. 1x is your current zoom level. IR3 means the built-in IR is on max. IR1 means IR is on, but flashlight is off. Great if you're using an external IR. No logo means in day vision. Mic shows audio is being recorded, and the battery icon shows how much power is left. If your crosshair isn't lining up with the target, no worries. You can easily adjust it. Go into the menu, select Crosshair Adjustment, hit Confirm, then use the 4 directional buttons around the menu key to shift the crosshair. Once it's right, hit OK to lock it in place. And here's a cool feature. When you zoom in, the digital zoom centers around the crosshair, not the screen, so your target stays aligned even at higher magnification. If your crosshair is far from the center of the screen, you can fine-tune it physically by adding a thin metal shim, like a piece cut from a soda can, between the Picatinny rail and the mount. This will help center it better on screen. Here's actual footage recorded with the NightCrystal M6. During the day, it captures in full color and high definition. At night, with IR enabled, the image switches to crisp black and white. Either way, you're getting sharp 1080 PHD video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming field tests and reviews. And if you're interested in getting your own NightCrystal M6, the purchase link is right there in the first comment below. Check it out.